there we have an OPPO A17, and today I will show you how you can rearrange your home screen by adding widgets, changing the size of it, changing the icon colors, making folders, and other stuff like that. So, the first step I will show you everything about widgets. To add the widget to your device, just hold your finger on the home screen and choose widgets. Now, how you can see, there is available widgets. I will choose that one. To choose any widget, just hold your finger and choose the place for it. Now drop it and click done. If you want to resize it, just hold it with your finger again, and now you can change the size of your widget. To change the place, just hold and slide to the other place. And that's it for the widgets. If you want to make a folder on your screen, just hold any app and drop it on another app. To change the name folder, click folder here and click here to change the name of it. You can see now my folder have a high name. Okay, to change the icon style, just hold your finger again on the home screen, click on it and choose icons. In this menu you can change the icon styles by changing the material size, variable styles, or click custom and agree. Now you can change the shape of your icons, decrease or increase the foreground, the icon size. You can turn off show name apps or turn it on and choose the size of it. And that's it for the icons. How you can see now my icons are rounded. If you want to change the color of system icons, just go back to the settings, click on personalization and choose the colors. Now you can change the color of your user interface on your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe and goodbye.